In today's tutorial, I am going to show how to add music to Instagram multiple post. So at first open your Instagram app. After that click on plus icon and then select reel. Now press on your gallery icon and then click multiple selection and now select multiple pick which one you want to post your Instagram account. After choosing your multiple post, then click next and now choose a song and press next. And here your reels preview. You can choose any your favorite song and then click save button and save and go back. After saving your reels, go back and come again your Instagram and then press plus icon. Now post your reels which one you saved before, then click next and write here a caption and then click share. And that is how to add music to Instagram multiple post.